There will be more pictures here. There will be all the pictures in the room.
But it also takes a bit of space to install this installation because it's supposed to be a bit big, and since it's cheap, relatively cheap to blow up big screens. Yeah. So
if we touch, for example,
I'm just gonna wait because it detects pretty badly out here.
Try the background first.
And yeah, so when you're curious and you're not touching the paintings and just seeing what the background is, we just decide that it should be like a stroke, like an artist stroke, so you can play a little around that.
but more like Munch's.
But when you go to Madonna, push her.
But maybe we should just say something more about the stroke, because that was supposed to be in other colors and have a thinner stroke,
Yeah.
more like a pencil.
So it's just a prototype, so like all the details are not like. So with one finger, it displays information about the painting Madonna, and it displays for like 15-20 seconds, and then it just go away and continue its path.
Is it possible to get someone who's actually have only been through the presentation, who's not used it, to test it, so we can see how legible?
But it's very touchable, so it's better, like, since it's a prototype and the technology here isn't like optimized, it's just to display it first. If you don't mind, because you just, or else.
It's not useful.
So yeah, that's
That's
about
the
the
definition, but they haven't yet tried it on anyone who's not tried it before, and now we will use that.
So when you go with 2 fingers, you get information about the painter. It displays, and you get some pictures around that's just like illustrated a bit of his life. And then you have 3 fingers, which displays different version of Madonna which he painted. And we decided to make it a bit interesting, not just to discuss the different paintings, but also like make a quote that is you can talk more about, I think.
Yeah, we wanted to. The text is just quotes from Munch to make it more like a personal channel. this MultiTouch screen. Often you can have the title and the year it's painted and the technique in a brochure or folder, or it hangs next to the picture. So we found that interesting to put quotes, like a personal way of communicating the story behind the pictures.
And then you have the 4th option, which is the the map, and the story around.
And here we're going to explain something here.
Sure.
Because the map has some touching points related to the painting. So in this case, the screen. So for example, the screen has been painting the landscape that he got inspired was in Eckerberg, because